let's turn around. Over where? Oh, there you are, Marshall. What are you doing up there? We're gonna play this Paw Patrol toss game. When you toss those bean bags, you will flip these over. And if you flip it over and we see Paw Patrol pups, you get to pick a toy surprise out of Wilma. Okay, some of them do not have pictures of Paw Patrol pups on them. Yeah, what happens if we throw the bean bag and we just see yellow and no picture of pups? Well guys, then you have to take a bath in our slime bath. Ew! That is so yucky! Let's get this Toss It Paw Patrol party started! Yeah!
The FIZZY Toy Show!
Okay guys, are you ready to play? Let's do this! Rubble, you can go first. Okay, here I go! Wow! It looks like I got two! And they both have pups on them! Great job, Rubble! Go ahead and pick out your toy surprise. Let's see what's inside of Wilma. Ooh, so many cool toys. I'm gonna pick this one. I picked out Jungle in My Pocket. There are two hidden pets. Miss Hands, open it up. Here is the little jungle carrier. We'll pop the door open and pull out the blind bag. Okay, Rubble, let's see what's inside. Here's our checklist, and up first we have a super fuzzy toucan. Look at the black fuzzy feathers on it. It has a very colorful beak. And this one's name is Toko, the toucan. Super cool. And there's another pet inside. Whoa, it's a snake. Whoa, that is one fuzzy green snake. Let's find out more about it. This is Diesel, and Diesel is a king cobra. Whoa, look out for Diesel. Those were some really cool surprises, Rubble. It's my turn. Okay, here I go. Oh no! They just turned yellow! Uh-oh, this means it's slime bath time! Oh boy, I can't believe I'm about to jump in this slime! Whoa! It's so slippery! Okay, this is pretty crazy, but it's actually kind of fun! Aw, poor Skye! Okay, I do not want a slime bath, so here I go! Yay! I got pictures of pups. I get more toy surprises. See here. Okay, yep, that looks good. Okay, I'm gonna get that one. I love these heroes versus villains mystery minis. They're so super cool. Yes, they are, Rubble. Let's find out which one of these guys you got. This one feels kind of small. Let's see. Well, I see green. Oh, check him out from Bug's Life. It's Heimlich the caterpillar. Oh my goodness, look at his body. That is so super cool. And he looks like, ooh, I'm a little bit worried. Don't worry, we won't put you in the slime bath. Ah, you put me next to a king cobra. Okay, no more slime time for me. Here I go. Woohoo! I got pictures of pups. Time for my toy surprise. Okay, let's see here. What looks good? Ooh, so many cool surprises. I'm gonna get this one. I love Animal Jam. Let's see who I got. Okay, Skye, you got an Animal Jam Adopt a Pet House. Whoa, let's see which pet we got. Time to open up the door and see who's inside. I see somebody green. Skye got little bunny. Look how super cute and green. And this little bunny has a purple bow that you can pop in. Super duper cute. Rubble on the double. I'm ready for more toy surprises. Oh no, I didn't even flip them. Does this mean I get a slime bath? Yes, it does, Rubble. Oh no! This is so slimy! I can wiggle and jiggle all over! Oh man, I wasn't expecting that to happen. This slime bath is actually pretty fun. Almost as fun as getting toy surprises. Aw, poor Rubble. Okay, I hope I don't get another slime bath. Here I go! Wow! I got a pup picture. Time for a toy surprise. All right, let's see what's inside. Oh, that looks good and that looks good. Okay, I'm grabbing this. I picked out a Giftums. These are super cute. Giftums are super cute. Look at this little present. And there's a surprise inside. So look, it looks like just a regular present box. But you can pop off the top and you find a little girl inside. There's also a checklist, and now the really cool part. This opens up and becomes a little playset with a background scene. And we have a little girl that's from Cape Town, Africa. And these are pictures of Cape Town. And here she is. She has red hair and a really cute little outfit on. We can pop her right here on the stand. And now she has Cape Town in the background. Okay guys, there are 2 toy surprises left. You each get to throw 2 bean bags. And whoever can match up 3 pictures gets the toy surprise. Rubble, you go first. Rubble on the double. Here I go. Okay, so I have Chase, Rubble, and Skye. Can I get 2 more with Chase, Rubble, and Skye? Oh, the picture matches, but there's only 1 and I needed to get 3. Skye, it's your turn. Okay, 3 of the same picture. Here I go. Whoa, look, I have Marshall. Okay, I just need 1 more with a picture of Marshall, Rocky, and Zuma. Whoa, I got 4. Oh my goodness, I get the toy surprises. But Miss Hands, there's only 2 left, so let me share them with Rebel. That is super nice, Skye. Let me get the toy surprises for you. Our last 2 toy surprises are Fungus Among Us and Trolls. Let's start off with our Trolls and see who we got. Inside our Trolls bag, we have found, whoa, look at this little lady. She may be the cutest troll I've ever seen. I love her little dress, and her hair is kind of crazy right now, but I kind of like it. It looks like the wind is blowing it. Shh. Look at her dress in the back. Whoa, she's a really cute little troll. And guys, here's Fungus Among Us. This is such a fun little blind box to open. Let's see what fungus we find. Inside we have found, ew, crazy fungus. In the food category, we have Moldy Blighter. Ugh, this guy is so sticky. His arms are all stretchy, and look, I bet he can stick onto Rebel's hat. Oh, Rebel on the double. Oh! He's covered in fungus!
Oh boy, this is silly.
So guys, there's 70 to collect, but there's only 37 on this checklist. So I don't see this guy on there, but look how crazy he is. He is super stretchy, his eyes are bugging out, he even has crazy teeth. And look how sticky he is. Wow! Oh, he climbed down Rebel's face. This was so much fun. Can we go back in the slime bath? I was thinking the same thing. It's so much fun. I'm jumping in too, Skye. I'm gonna put some slime on you. This is super funny. This looks like so much fun. I'm jumping in too. Look at us, we're a mess.
This was so much fun. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like it and give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.
Bye guys.
Bye-bye.